wake up. I don't wanna make my bed, I'll save up all my energy and
lazy Sunday mornings, hiding under covers. I don't mind staying in with you. Play your favorite movie, laying right beside me. I don't mind when it's just us two. That corner coffee shop we like to go. Late night walks with you to take me home.
Please excuse how I look, but I just wanted to intro this video really quick. So I'm actually about to go to my hometown to my boyfriend's house, and we are going to go from there to New York City. I haven't been to New York in a really long time. Please ignore my hair. I'm doing the heatless curls, so I got ready, and then I put these like heatless curls in my hair because I don't have time to curl my hair or do my hair. And I went to Target yesterday and finally got hairspray. So we are going to Broadway. We're going to go watch Into the Woods. We're going to a really nice restaurant, and we're gonna go see the Christmas tree. So I just thought it would be fun to bring you guys along with me. I think it'll be really fun. And yeah, so for my outfit, I'm wearing jeans and this like quarter zip because it's really cold outside, but I thought this was still like nice enough to wear to Broadway. I got it from, I think, American Eagle. But with all that being said, I have to go because we're running late. And I really hope my hair turns out okay, because if it doesn't, I have no idea what I'm gonna do. So we just made it to the car. I didn't charge my phone at all. I woke up with 19%, so this should be interesting. But we're heading home now, and I'll update you guys before we leave for the city. Kind of nervous. Why didn't it curl? This is the best it's gonna get. Kind of fixed it, not really, but kind of. I'm wearing this little trench coat and then jeans from American Eagle. But with all that being said, we're gonna go. I don't like my hair, but it's fine, I guess. I'm excited though, so let's go. We just got to Broadway and I am so excited. I haven't seen a Broadway show, like I was saying, in so long, so I'm so excited to see how the show is. Like I said, we're at Into the Woods, and then after we're gonna go to this really nice restaurant, so I'm so excited. But I'm gonna go to the show and then I'll update you guys, like probably intermission and then also after.
8 a.m. I couldn't fall asleep again. Been overthinking all the little things I've said.
It's just before intermission. So far, the show is so good and I really like it. We are at like a higher level, but it's really like nice and I really love it. And I don't know, I just think it's like a really nice thing to see Broadway every once in a while. I'm gonna go back before the crowd comes and just like sit at my seat, and I'll update you guys after. Literally the only place I can film is in the bathroom because that's where you can't hear music. But the show was so good. I really liked it. I really liked the plot. My grandma saw the show before and she told me it was gonna be really good, so I was so excited. Right now we're gonna go to our 6:30 reservations at this really nice steakhouse, and then we're gonna go see the Christmas tree, so I'm really excited. But overall it was really nice and I really liked it, and I'm so appreciative to have seen it. But like I said, we're gonna go to dinner now.
No need to give it up, just need to let it go. And if it's
Finished dinner, it was good, and now we're going to go see the tree. We're still walking to the tree. My feet hurt so bad. It was like, I think 5 blocks straight and then 3 right from where we were. But we went to this really nice restaurant. Decoration wise, it was beautiful.
I want you to know how I feel. Though I may say it, I just think that I might have to spell it out for you. So
We're lost in New York, like actually. We currently don't have a ride home. I love your camera. Thanks.
in here. I want this all to be.
It's a few days later now, and I just wanted to hop on and explain what happened in the city. So as you guys know, I went to Into the Woods. It was so nice. It was a little different than I thought it was going to be, but because it was Broadway, it was still a really cool experience, and I still enjoyed the show, and I thought it was good. We went to this really, really nice restaurant, and when I say that, I mean aesthetically. I'll insert a few pictures on the screen, but it was so pretty. There was so much Christmas stuff and it really got me into the Christmas spirit. However, they were a little understaffed, which is obviously understandable, but the wait time was very long and obviously it was fine. The food was still really good and I got some chicken. It was pretty good. And then Chad got stew and they put it in a bread bowl and he said it was really good. Then we decided to part ways. So me and Chad wanted to walk to the tree and Chad's family wanted to take these bikes to the tree. So we did that, and as I told you guys before, our phones were at like 1%. So our phones ran out of battery and we couldn't find his family, and it caused this whole like little issue and we actually got left in the city. So that was a whole problem. And then our Uber app wasn't working, so we couldn't Uber home for a very long time. So we were just in the middle of Times Square, lost, and yeah, it was very eventful. So I'm gonna go home now.
Just wanna call on you. Let me do it all for you. Can't nobody ball on you. Ooh yeah. She the girl in my visions.
Chad decided to wear shorts in like 20-degree weather and he's really cold. And we're at the bank right now, but we just went to the store. I got some stuff and we're gonna go home now. Chad got me these flowers. They're so cute and I'm going to put them in here, and I have this little hot cocoa stand that I'm going to put them in, so I think they're really pretty. I ordered a new camera because this one is broken and it's been broken for so long, and it's been so hard to film because every single time I turn the camera on, it only lets me record for a minute, then it shuts off and says like busy with a black screen on it, and then it'll just shut off completely, so then I have to turn it on every single time. And I've been trying to film sit-down videos for like New Year's, and it's been very, very hard because it keeps shutting off at every minute, so the angle kept changing, so I had to try really hard to make the frames match up. But I got a new camera and I'm really excited, so I'm going to unbox it. This is not my camera. This is the panel for my camera, so it's like a little light that I can attach to my camera. Right now I'm filming on a Canon G7X Mark II, but my camera's doing the thing again. Hold on. The camera actually did come and I'm so excited because, like I was saying, this is a Canon G7X and I got the Canon EOS M50. Fun fact, I actually had this camera before and I gave it to my friend because I wasn't using it, but the one I had was, I believe, a different color, and I've been wanting this one for so long and I finally got it. The only thing is I forgot to buy the lens. See, like there's no lens. The viewfinder is on the side and I can like rotate it, and this viewfinder is above. I think that they're both really good vlog cameras, though I've heard good things about both. So it comes with that, comes with a cable, and then just a battery charger. Then like what I was showing you guys, I have this little panel LED thing, and this allows me to put the panel on top of my camera right here. It looks like this, and like I was saying, you literally just put it on your camera. It just like lights up, so I will have really good lighting. Like right now, this lighting's bad, but with this, it'll make it all really good. All right, I have some more packages. I got this little skirt from Amazon. I'm going to SantaCon in a few weeks, and I got this like skirt, and then I got a bodysuit, and I have a hat that I also got, and I think it's gonna look really cute together. So the bodysuit is just white and it's like this, and then I'm going to pair it with the skirt and a Santa hat, and I think it'll look really cute. Oh my gosh, are these my slippers? I ordered these a while ago, but I got these cute little reindeer slippers. They are from, I don't remember, but you can get them on Amazon. Look how stinking cute these are. Are you kidding me? I'm obsessed already. Look at how cute. So I also got this little highlighter that I saw Alex Earl post about. I love her. And then I got a little planner. We're going to set up my apartment, make it really cozy in here, and cook some dinner. And then we're gonna make gingerbread cookies. Alexa, turn on the light.
Okay.
I bought candy canes and I want to put them on my Christmas tree because I feel like it will fill in the gaps that are on my tree. If you watched my ultimately Christmas vlog video, my tree for some reason just doesn't look right. There's like a lot of gaps in it and I don't love it. So I think that putting in like fillers like candy canes and maybe some garland will help. Then I'm going to go right into cooking dinner. So I have this tortellini and I'm going to put some sauce on it with some cheese for me and Chad. Dinner right now, like I told you guys, and I'm going to empty my dishwasher. I think right after dinner, I'm going to go into baking just because it's kind of late. It's like 8:30 right now, so still have a lot that I want to do. I still have to journal, and I have to actually edit this video to get it up by tomorrow. I'm gonna go right into baking after I empty the dishwasher, eat dinner, and then we're gonna make some really nice gingerbread cookies. Well, I made the tortellini, but there's actually mold on it, so now I'm just gonna make regular pasta. Now we're gonna make gingerbread from scratch. I really like making cookies from scratch. I've been in my baking era lately, so I wanna make gingerbread. I wanna make them decorated like really cute, like how you see on Pinterest.
Shiver, but not cold enough to snow. Cold enough to know it's winter. Perfect time to say our first hello.
I just made the gingerbread, as you guys saw, and they came out good taste-wise. However, the decorating definitely needs some work, but it was still something really fun to do, and my goal for the end of 2022 is to decorate very nicely. I feel like the frosting I had just wasn't the right frosting to use for gingerbread cookies. It's hard to explain, but I'm pretty sure I'm right. But with that being said, I'm gonna go to sleep. I have to get ready still. It's around 12 a.m. and I'm so tired. I had a really long day of work today, but I wanted to just kind of make this kind of like a day that didn't include my job. I know you guys like my accounting vlogs, but I wanted to do something like this too. So I'm gonna take a shower and get ready.